Okay, and our last step in the assembly of the Draco, we had glued this piece on right up here, and it's now firmly attached. So we're on step number 76, and that is to slide the tie assembly through the gap. The triangular slot should be towards the aft end. So this little triangular slot goes towards the aft end of the rocket, and that needs to go in there, just like that. Before test, the stay tie slides easily along the slot, and mine slides nice and easily, so that's good. Okay, step number 77. We need to get this little piece and a 440 half-inch long screw, which is one of the black screws, and a 1/4 inch tall standoff. All right, so that looks like one of those. There's two size standoffs. There's the short ones and the long ones. I think the long ones are the 1/4 inch ones. So we're going to take one of those. We're going to put that through this part through there. That standoff there, and then we're going to put that in the hole here, and just going to screw it down, and that fits in there nicely. You want this to rotate around a little bit so that we can put everything together. Okay, so now we're going to check that the 1/4 inch standoffs, this is step number 78, will fit into the holes. If they don't, so this one is a really nice fit, and it spins around nice and easily. We want to do that for all the big holes, just to make sure that there's no paint or anything that's going to prevent them from spinning. And then there's this hole here, and okay, this one's a little tighter. That's because of the way I painted them. So you'll want to take a hobby knife or a file and just file the paint out of there until that standoff will go through it. Still a little tight. And if you need a file, we sell these here at Apogee. All right, so that's better. That one's tight. That one, a little tight. Still a little tight. Okay, moving on to step number 79. Now we're going to take a standoff, the long one. We're going to take the wing, and we're going to, this has to go into, this long standoff has to go into that hole. That hole has to go into here. I want to line it up first. and spin it around and take the screw. Okay, so I got one in, and take the other. Make sure that this reinforcement piece faces upward. And you might want to put the wings together so that the gear teeth will align. Okay, and I'm going to tighten it down just so it's barely snug. All right, that's looking good. Okay, moving on. To okay, yeah, so you just want to make sure in step 80 that the wings, there's no gap. So that means basically so the teeth align. And mine already aligns, so I am good. Now we are going to slide the stay all the way to the back, making sure the curved surface of the stay is facing up. Okay, I want this right here. We want to make sure that the airfoil side is up on this, and that is going to go to here, and we're going to need another long standoff. And a screw. And we'll probably need to do that to the other side as well. Yep, I got it backwards. This is this side because my airfoil, the trailing edge is here, my thick part is here, so I just have to flip it over to the other side. Okay, so I am going to pause here, and then I'll be back in the next video.